Hey there, I was sent over this kitchen scale to test and try out, and I have to say, I don't know if I need another scale after looking at this one. So let's go over all of those beneficial features on why I think this scale is so good. First, let's talk about the actual power to the scale. This scale can either be used with two AA batteries, the USB cord powered to the wall, or you can use the USB cord to recharge the battery in it, and then you're good to go that way as well. So there's always going to be an option available. The next thing I really like is the size of the scale. It's nice and large. It's got a big area on it. So you can put something small like a measuring cup on it, or you can put a large bowl on it and still have room to read the weight, which I really like. It doesn't overhang everything. To turn the scale on, you simply hold the power button down for a couple seconds. It'll turn on. So once the scale is on, you have all your units that you can go through: pounds, pound and ounces, kilograms, milliliters, grams, fluid ounces, ounces, pounds. You can measure anything in metric or English, whichever is your preference, liquids and solids. You also have this PCS button on the scale, and what that means is it is a piece counting scale. So let's say you had a bowl of jelly beans and you wanted to know how many jelly beans were in that bowl. Instructions are provided in the manual on how you would weigh one jelly bean and then figure out how many were in the bowl of jelly beans, because they should all weigh about the same size, and it would give you a piece count. The scale has 4 sample quantities: 25, 50, 75, and 100. So let's check the accuracy of the scale. I have it set on milliliters. I'm going to tear it out by hitting the button once, and then we're going to add our liquid. And if we look really closely, I'm sitting right at the 100 mark area, and this says 99. So I would say that this is a pretty accurate reading. To measure solids, you would do the same thing, change it to whatever unit you wanted. Let's just say ounces. Hit the tear button once. Let's measure out an ounce of salt. It does go up by tenths of an ounce. And there we are, we're actually a little bit over. Really good features on this scale. I love that it has the multiple ways of making sure it has power whenever I need it. The size of the scale itself and being able to read over a bowl is imperative when I'm baking. So that's probably my favorite feature of the scale, is just it's a good size to use in my kitchen. Guys, if you're looking for a kitchen scale for baking or cooking or portion sizing with multiple ways to measure, this one has you covered, and I hope it helps you decide on if this is a good scale for you.